Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm excited to be reviewing for you guys a Camouflage diaper bag. I did receive this on my channel to review, but go ahead and look at my video description below. You'll see a link, it'll take you right to Amazon. You can see some awesome photos and reviews about this, read some more about the product details, but here it is. Really excited for this. This is how it comes packaged to you. Mine was actually in a box with a couple other items I ordered. So that being said, it'll come in a cardboard box from Amazon just like this, and this is the Chambag, which is pretty cool. And I'll go ahead and we'll take it out of plastic and take a look at it. So again, it's a camouflage bag. They bill it as unisex, but I'm assuming mostly the demographic's gonna be a man bag, a merce, whatever you wanna call that. So far it looks really cool. We'll see in the shot. You can see, so we got two straps right here that are adjustable. We got a handle right here that you can grip from the top with a couple of different options right here. Two clips if you want to unclip and tie other things to, or tie this to it, you have right there, which is cool. We'll start from the back. There's a nice like 90-degree pocket right here, which is pretty cool, as you can see. And again, this is on your back, and then it has a complimentary USB cable. So it's got a USB extension cable actually, so male to female, and that you can run in this bag to charge devices, which is pretty cool. Comes with, let's see what this is. I think it's a bag cover as well. A little different, it's not matching camouflage, but it is in the same theme of camo. So that's in that pocket. It's bigger than it looks actually. And then right here, you can see on the side where you can put the USB cable. So if I can get a close up of that, see I'm pulling the cable out. Well, I stuck it in there, now it doesn't want to come out. But right there, you can see, you can put your USB cable, so then you can charge your phone or put a battery pack in here, which is pretty sweet. Or any other devices, or maybe even baby devices. And there are a couple, it's hard to see, nylon material pockets and another zip pocket in here. So it's really got a lot, and this is just one pocket. So I'm seeing the USB, and so you can reach this from the back. I thought it was a separate pocket. It actually connects to the main part of the bag. And the bag's got really great quality right here. I can feel some metal reinforcement to keep it, to hold its form. So again, this looks pretty nifty. You can reach into the back right here. You don't have to dig through the bag. Stuff will come out. Got your USB again, like I said, right there, which is pretty neat. We have a little zip pocket right here. You can put items in. You have a bottle or a water bottle holder here too, which is pretty cool. Now we'll go up here. You have a side pocket that goes about the whole width of the bag right here. My hand can fit in there. So pretty neat. Now we'll look at the front. Again, I was just accessing this spot from down below, so you have two ways to get to it. You have your 3 nylon insulated bottle holders in here too, which is pretty cool. And again, another zipper, and it's got the Chambag. It just says thank you for joining us. If you have any questions, that sort of thing. Shows some other options as well. If you don't like camo or want something more to your preferences, they have those as well. So I can show you the inside. There you go. Really a lot bigger than you think. So pretty cool. USB cable's nice. Again, to have the insulated bottle holders and stuff in there is pretty neat. You have another little clip accessory right here. And then last but not least, we have the pocket up top on the front of it. And this has the three, these are the 3 insulated ones. You can actually see the insulation in there to keep your bottles warm or cold, depending on your preferences. So again, these are the 3 insulated ones. Sorry about that. In here, they just have 3 or 4, 1, 2, 3 nylon, not insulated, but still really big pockets that you could definitely hold a bottle in if you needed. But the front is where you have easy access right to the insulated holders, which is really cool. I hope you can see that in there. You can see the nice foil insulation that they got. And then another zip right here, so you can store other stuff. So really nice, really well thought out. Again, I love the material. Should be easy to clean if you have to store, unfortunately, some dirty diapers and that sort of thing. So you have that there, the insulated. Nice pockets in here as well too. Should be pretty easy to clean if you have to. And yeah, so really a great backpack. Go ahead, check it out if you're in the market for baby products or know somebody that might like a camo bag, or check out some of the other products on Amazon. Just use that link. That would help support my channel. And I really appreciate you guys watching this video. Let me know if you have any other questions, comments, concerns, that sort of thing. Be happy to try to answer them for you. And hit that sub button if you haven't, hit the like button if you haven't, and leave me any comments you have, and I'll look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you.